The bears form a rectangle, two short sides and a long one, rectangle. Acrobats are twirling with a special circus song. Circus shapes are everywhere, the tent is all aglow. How many circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles can you find? Breakmaster blows his whistle, it's time to